Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've not done one of these on the channel before, but today is going to be an unboxing video. This unboxing video is from SCT, which is a company of derived systems. A lot of people will know them as SCT or Bullydog, a popular tuning company for diesel pickup trucks, mainly like Ford and GM. But this isn't going to go in a diesel pickup. Today's unboxing video, we're going to cover the LiveWire Vision. It is basically just a performance monitor. It's a touchscreen. We're going to unbox this. First impressions are really good. I love the overlay sleeve, really nice artwork, a lot of information on the back. Today's just going to be an unboxing video. We'll go over the usage in another video. As you can see, they are actually boxed very nicely. Some foam padding to protect it during shipment. And these actually did ship quick. Took about a week, so that's pretty good. First thing you'll see in here, no bigger than basically what you would expect like a Garmin to be. It is just a touchscreen display. And you have an HDMI port back here. You have a mount for your window. Alrighty, next thing up is our user guide. And then we have a USB to micro USB. That's for if you want to do software updates or anything like that. And then we have our window mount. Basically a suction cup. Plugs in. And you just stick it to your window, and you can adjust it any however you want to. You can lock it into place with this little thumb wheel back here. And then in this box, we have the cable that connects to the OBD port. And then we have different accessories that we could plug in via this yellow connector here. You've got what looks to be like a FireWire adapter, and then a video in for if you have a backup camera. And this HDMI port actually plugs in to the HDMI input. And this is what gives the readout to the screen and power from the OBD port to the screen. So that is just an unboxing video of the LiveWire. It's a performance monitor system. Shows all kinds of information. We'll go into that in the next video. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.